Unit 6. Greeting guests. Word power, sounds of animals. Animal. Sound. Apes. Gibber. Bats. Screech. Bears. Growl. Bees. Hum and buzz. Birds. Chirrup, chirp, tweeter, tweet, sing, whistle. Pigs. Grunt. Cats. Mew, purr, meow, hiss, yowl. Cattle. Moo, low, bawl, calf, billow, bull. Chickens. Cluck, cackle. Cocks. Crow. Cows. Low, moo. Crows. Caw. Snakes. Hiss. Tigers. Growl, roar. Wolves. Howl, cry, yell. Sheep. Bleat. Snakes. Hiss. Donkeys. Bray. Ducks. Quack. Elephants. Trumpet, roar. Flies. Buzz, hum. Frogs. Croak. Giraffes. Bleat. Goats. Bleat. Hens. Cackle, cluck. Horses. Neigh. Lambs. Bleat. Lions. Roar, growl. Mice. Squeak and squeal. Monkeys. Chutter, gibber, whoop, screech. Owls. Hoot, scream. Parrots. Talk, screech, squawk. Peacocks. Scream. Vultures. Scream.